right, so it's running. I was underneath. I adjusted everything. I'll crawl under after if everything works and demonstrate. But I reckon we've got all our gears now. All right, so here we go. Ready?
Nope.
Hold on.
What?
Hold on? I don't want to hold on.
Yeah, no, seriously, hold on for a second.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Do you have AirPods?
Yes. They fell out of my pocket. It's the only way I can hear on the damn phone. Good eye. Okay, so this is reverse. And we're actually reversing. Bernsey, I'm going backwards. All right, there's reverse. Legit reverse. Look at that. Stop. In the name of cars. Oh, I can't do it all. Woo, first. All right. You got first. Hold on, I'm gonna set the phone down, see if I can get her in second. All right, crappy video. I think I need a little more adjustment, but it did go into second. It doesn't sound happy. All right, so I got it sitting in first right now. I'm gonna have Bernsey get in. Easy, buddy. Whoa. Okay, leave it in first. And then I gotta figure out if it's not coming all the way out of first when we shift. So shift, put the clutch in to play it safe too. Okay, now go to second. You never pulled it out of first. Okay. Yeah. Okay, hang on. Here, let go of the handle. Okay. Hold on. Oh, what am I bound up on? Are you in? You have the clutch in?
Yeah.
Okay, try to wiggle the shifter handle over. There we go. Go down like you're gonna go to reverse. Okay. It's not, it's bound. Hold on, let me unpin this. Okay. Oh, God. All right, so give me reverse, Bernsey. There's reverse. Okay, give me first. Okay, give me neutral. Wiggle, wiggle. Give me second. Give me third. Okay. Put it back in neutral. Okay, so there should be no freaking problem whatsoever. We all saw that on video for the world to see.